Hello.
अरे क्या बात,
यंग हुआ है क्या लगा। और मैं आज जरा गाड़ी में रोक रहा हूँ। क्या बात है
सर? जहाँ देखो वहाँ एक ही पिक्चर थी सर, आपकी और शाहरुख की सर उनके बर्थडे पे जो खींची गई थी सलमान।
अभी कल मेरी और जगू दादा की पिक्चर होगी हर जगह। कोई शक?
Salman, have you managed to catch any?
What?
पहचान में नहीं आ रहे सलमान।
देख पाए सलमान?
Yeah, have you managed to catch any?
Sultan is standing on your toes.
सर honest and
Anil.
sir, tell us something about that moment, sir. Everyone have been
What?
so eager to know about that moment, sir. About you and Shahrukh Khan, sir, who had a picture of Sultan look, sir, on that.
And we just hugged each other, not to wish happy birthday. Now why should I share that moment with you? Huh?
But Mr. Khan, sir, you look totally unrecognizable. It looks as if you're totally in character for yourself.
Not yet. I still have another 3 weeks to go for that. 3 weeks.
सलमान
sir, 7 days more to go.
फिल्म मेकर्स जो अपने अवार्ड वापस कर रहे हैं, आज भी 25 कलाकारों ने अपना अवार्ड वापस किया, आप इसके बारे में क्या राय रखते हैं?
जगूदा बोलेंगे इसको।
बोले सबका अपना अपना स्टाइल एक्सप्रेस करने का, उनके दिल में वो आ रहा है कि उनका अवार्ड दे के प्रोटेस्ट करना उनका हक बनता है ना। हर इंडिविजुअल का हक है, कैसा क्या बोलेगा। बिगेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड भेड़ू, फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, तो उसमें कोई गलत नहीं। अपने अपने दिल का खेल रहे हैं ना बाबा। ये अरे बाबा कहाँ नहीं तू इतना कितना सुने थे।
आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
उनको बैशिंग मिली है। शाहरुख के एक बयान पे बहुत पॉलिटिकल बैशिंग मिली है।
we are coming for मामी ना। We are coming for मामी ना।
मामी आए ना, मामी की बात करना।
मामी की बात करो ना। This is not the forum for all those kind of things. If I'm doing one-on-one with you, if you give me time for this, then I can speak to you on that. अब मैं कुछ बोलूँगा, आप कुछ समझोगे, कुछ लिखोगे, कोई और कुछ उठा लेगा। Why you want to do all that stuff? Why do you want me to sponsor your channel and stuff like that? Let it be ना। थोड़ा सा ये डल फेस चलने दो, थोड़ा सा। I'll give you that मौका आगे फिर से। But right now, just go through the dull phase right now.
Sir, we'll come to
Don't go back to your place.
बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी को
मामी
Sir, we'll come to मामी के बारे में। Sir, 24 artists
माँ आणि मी।
सलमान
दिवाली के विशेष।
I don't think he misbehaved. I don't think he misbehaved at all. Well, just the other day, I was coming up from the airport. One journalist, kept her mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I had to look at her and said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick, your young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of him. What if he falls?" This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Where's my parents? My family, my friends, especially my mother, Helen auntie, my dad. We're young people, you can do this with us. Don't do this because you would not like this if I do it in front of you. Your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other and no one's getting any bite, no one's getting any statement. So if my brother at that point in time is concerned for my father, he's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why are you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े जा रहे हो to get your mics in front. You have the decorum, no? We all stand. Who doesn't stand and who does not talk to people here? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not?